Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. That's a little ASMR for y'all. I have an order from Craft Outlet. Today is December 17th, Thursday. I thought it was Tuesday. I ordered this yesterday morning. And not like super early yesterday morning. It was like 8 o'clock yesterday morning, and it is 1:30 here today. So, again, I am extremely fortunate that they are in Baton Rouge. So let's open this up and see what we have. You know, I realized I went to Craft Outlet to order gold ribbon because they needed some, and I don't want to cut this with this. I was like, oh, well, I like that, and I like that, and I like that. And I checked out, and they sent me my invoice, and I realized that I did not order the one thing I went to the website to get. So, honestly, what is wrong with me? Really? Okay. I've never had a box this size before. Alrighty. Spring has sprung. Where's the rest of my invoice? Oh, it's up here. Let's see, I know you guys sometimes like prices, and I'm terrible about doing it. I don't know what this is. Metallic lame stripe ribbon, $3.95. Or is that this? Metallic royal canvas ribbon, also $3.95. So yeah, you know what? Here you go. Here's what I paid for everything. You can't see any of that. Yeah, I think the most expensive thing was a roll of ribbon. I think it's this one. Can y'all tell I had Easter on my mind? Yeah, that was $6.95. Hot pink lime striped edge polka dot ribbon. A regular striped ribbon, pink and white, $3.95. Yellow and white pinstripe ribbon, $3.50. Oh, that's ugly. Stripe ribbon, hot pink and lime. No. Valley stripes, turquoise, lime, and fuchsia. Okay. $4.25. Royal canvas, no. I don't know what this is. This is cute though. Is this Valley Stripes? This might be Valley Stripes. I don't know what that other one was. Bold Stripes. Bold Stripes was $4.50. Valley Stripes was $4.25. Glitter woven gingham check, $4.95, $4.25. Can you see that? Kinda. This is, that sounded my shirt rubbing up against there. Look at that, I like that. Micro dot, bright green in robin's egg blue, $4.50. medium polka dots. Ew. That's kind of unfortunate, huh? Can you see that? It's like beige and ivory. $5.75. That's ugly. And this is big polka dot ribbon, $4.95. So a lot of ribbon. Way too much. Let's see. I think these are all. This one's $4.95. This is just a pink to use as a base of something. Lavender, $4.95. Metallic lavender. I don't know, these are like $3.95, $4.95. I'm not going through every one of those, but yeah, I got, which ones did I get to go together? I think these for like Easter. I got a bunch of border meshes because I finally had them in stock. Is there any more over here? No, these are just. So I got green, pink, turquoise and pink, purple, lavender and purple. This apple green color I always seem to get a roll of. Metallic purple. I think this is metallic lavender. And this is just pink iridescent. So those are all the border stripes are $4.95. These regular metallics like this are $3.95. Yeah. So that's a pretty hefty order. It was, I think it was only, yeah, it was $99.80. So that's a lot of stuff. I mean, that's how much one yard of ribbon costs at Hobby Lobby. But yeah, I got super inspired because I was cleaning and I found my Easter box. Remember all that Easter stuff my mom got on clearance because nobody was shopping during quarantine when she had to go to work every day. So I got a lot of green. Is green the color this year? Is she the one? Yellow. I like that yellow kind of. So yeah, big box of Easter in spring. It was never too early. Alright guys, yeah. Thanks for watching. I don't like this at all. Like, I feel like these two could both go back. But this is like kind of neutral. I'll do something with that. I'll do something with everything. Y'all know that. I'll use every piece of textile in this box. Alright, thanks for watching. I will see you guys later.